So out and about again, out in the back blocks of Coffs Harbour at the moment, on a road called Dairyville Road, and just going out to look for a couple of waterfalls out this way. Looking for a Bangalore Falls and the other one here. Yeah, looking for Bangalore Falls and another fall out this way, Urumbilum or something. I'll put it up on the screen, but yeah, that's the plan, so let's see what happens. Yeah, so it's pretty nice out here. Bit overcast, but it's supposed to clear up a bit, so yeah, out we go. Dairyville into Pine Road it's called. Pretty steep apparently, gets you up the top. But we've got Bindarri National Park basically. Only about 8 or 10 k's. So let's go check out this Pine Road. Up on top of them hills somewhere. So this is the creek that the waterfall comes off. It's flowing, super clear, so it should be similar to that. Cool. Very nice. What is it? Urumbilum. Urumbilum? I think that's it. Comes Creek. Very nice. Awesome. Not too far from dirt now. So, Pines Creek Road. Says we're just about in the Bindarri National Park. And it says from here on, now we'll have a look. Old bush turkey, so Bindarri, and from here on it's uphill 6 k's. Have a quick look at this. Well, there you go, Bindarri picnic area, and yeah, Bangalore. Anyway, get out of the vine. Alright, Pine Road it is. Up and up apparently. Old DR likes going up. Oh, it is a bit squishy. Yeah, it hadn't rained for a while, but they had a pretty full-on storms out here last week, like proper hailstorms, and so I was expecting some trouble, but just had a yarn to the national parks dudes, like, and yeah, a couple of guys out, and yeah, they said it was fine. Red clay. pretty well worked out one thing. After just about every one of them sort of erosion mounds, well, there has been puddles, especially these lower ones. Yeah. I can see why it's four-wheel drive only. But you got a bit of clearance, and I think in the yeah, any sort of water on it, or too much water, you'll be in a bit of barny rubble. Definitely an uphill theme happening with the old pine road. I'll keep going. Get up top soon. Whew. We're pretty well at the top now. Interesting road, that one. Definitely, it's definitely steep, and there's lots of red clay. So if it was actually raining, I wouldn't be doing it. This one's got a bit of slop here and there, but nah, it's been okay. Pretty steep though. I think it's just normal Coffs Harbour. Everywhere is either up or down, and red clay. Woo! So what do we got? Bangalore Falls this way. Alright, 400 metres that one. 700 to Urumbilum. I think I pronounced it correct that time. So this one's probably the more touristy one. The other one's probably gets a few less people in it. But look at that glorious red clay. Just to add water. I guess we're parking here. Alright, let's go exploring. Big old tree, this one. Gnarly looking base. Very easy. Awesome. Yep, she's a different world in here. Big fallen trees, moss covered. It's crazy. Full jungle. Just starting to hear some water, so I think I'm getting somewhere. found her. Very pretty. But yeah, I'm sure the best view is going to be down the bottom, so let's climb down there, I think. We'll have a good look at her. Got down here, had to earn it, bit of sweat. Yeah, definitely pretty down here. Trying to field it back. Yeah, awesome. And falls behind, just drops down hundreds of metres, I guess. Pretty fairly steep angle down, so yeah, it's nice. Alright, let's go check out the other one, eh? Didn't need you too far back. Yeah. That was pretty cool. Bangalore Falls. Now, off to the other one. Always forget the names of things. So apparently it's 7 k's. Once you get back out to this range road, well, let's go. Alright, going down. This is nothing like Pine Road, but there's a definite clay thing happening. Back there it was a bit slippery, so I think it's trying to keep two-wheel drives out of here in case it rains. So this is at Urumbilum Creek Road, it is. It's just a jungle road. Yeah, as soon as you break the surface, it's slippery. Could be clippery. Alright, keep going. I think I found it. Alright, in the car park, but I see the creek. I'm taking it's between that little gap there. Alright, let's go exploring. Bit of a sketchy old bridge. Would have been all open, these roads, but they're just beyond repair now. Beautiful little creek in here. Flowing nicely. Sweet. Yeah, it's a little bit confusing. Cross that bridge, and when you get over, turn left. Yeah, rather than, it was 3 or 4 different directions, so turn left, keep following the creek. So yeah, I've just gone through the little picnic area. Now we're in the full jungle. Whoa. May have to cross the creek at times, I don't know. Pretty. So yeah, I don't think there's any option. I'm go across this creek. Soggy shoes or bare feet? That's the question. Or boots and dry socks. Yeah, I've only gone 60 metres and I can hear water. Well, a waterfall. No option but to get soggy. Ah, damn. Getting closer. Woohoo! Another cool spot. It looks like there's a bit of a ghost track down at the bottom, but yeah, not for me. Yeah, nice in here. It's loud, roaring away. Funny to think this is that little creek I crossed way back at the start, right up the headwaters. Oh yeah, beautiful here though. Very nice. Yeah, this creek here would have to be one of the most stunning creeks I've ever been on. And I've gone nowhere. I've just walked 50, 100 metres. It's just crazy. Just, don't know, hard to explain. The epitome of what a rainforest creek should look like. With waterfall. Well, that was pretty impressive in there. Like I said, probably one of the most stunning little rainforest creeks I've ever been on. And I only went a couple hundred metres that way, and you can hear it just keeps going up there. So if you're into creek walking and exploring, that's it's pretty bloody nice. Alright, I want to get out of here. I'm going to go home via Yulong. Something different. Instead of sliding down the big hill. Once we work out how to turn the key. So up and out now. So this is pretty well the entrance to the park if you come from the Yulong way. So Coffs Road, however you pronounce it. But yeah, you come through here and end up in Bindarri. So it's all good road. Just that last bit's a bit forward drivey. But yeah, it's just a clay. It's not that steep or anything. Anyway. Yeah, I keep moving, make my way back down through Coffs. So no, it's been good. Probably just show you a bit of rolling farmland on the way out, and then yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Yeah, if you like these videos, thumbs up, always good. Leave a comment. Always like reading the comments. Yeah, it's just part of the fun of it. So yeah. Anyway, I will catch you on the next one, wherever that is.